I guess the caretaker should have come a little earlier.
Get it right over there, baby.
Well, he'd have caught us. There, together.
Barbie, I can't do it.
I swear before God we didn't.
You've got to cool this. It's crazy.
We didn't even go aboard the plane that night. We were just out there on the dock, together.
Now hold it still, baby.
That's all.
What, do I have to hold that too?
I swear before God.
That's all right, Barbie. You've already sworn to tell the truth. Were you running?
Yes. Well, see, Barry and I, well, we were playing around and... Thank you. Doesn't that mean something? I mean, what kind of people could just sit there eating waffles? Eat it. Don't just sit there. You want people to remember you couldn't. If they'd done what...
Is that him?
How could you even look at something to eat? I remember we heard a plane go over, and we thought, there he goes. He's so lucky. He'll be home hours before we are. And then